Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So finally OnePlus 12 have got the September update. After the September build, we'll start getting OxygenOS 15 open beta builds. I'm not exactly sure about the update size because the OTA update is still not rolled out. So I had to manually install it on my device. And guys, another thing related to installation, many people are complaining that they are getting the verification issue while installing the build which we have provided. Even I was facing the same issue. So let me tell you one thing. If you are installing this build, like the file which we have provided, first of all, what you need to do is you need to uninstall the APK of About section if you guys have previously installed. This is how it used to look if you install the APK. To uninstall this, what you have to do is you just go to Settings, Apps, App Management, tap on these three dots, tap on Show System, and now search for Update. Once you see Software Update, tap here. If you have installed that APK manually, you'll get three dots here. Tap on those three dots and uninstall the update. And if you still get that error of verification, then you need to re-download the zip file. Same thing happened with me. After re-downloading, the installation process started on my device. So now let's take a look at the software information. And one more thing, after you install this latest build, which is .850, the About section gets completely changed. You don't have to install the APK to have this look. Now it's implemented in the system itself. Soon you install this build, the About section will be completely changed. This is how it will look after the update. So you can see the version is .850. As I told you guys, I'm not aware about the incremental update size because the OTA update is still not rolled out. And if you see here under Android version, which says Android 14, which has 5th September 2024 security patch. And this build is also based on OxygenOS 14.1, though it's still not showing OxygenOS 14.1 in the About section. So here you can see this was the update. If I unzip the file and take a look at the metadata, you can see it says OxygenOS 14.1, though the display OS version is 14.0. And guys, now before moving ahead, if you guys find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. And as I told you guys, after this version, we'll be start receiving OxygenOS open beta builds. And why I'm saying this, because you can see yesterday I tweeted about it. OnePlus have already started the recruitment of ColorOS 15 open beta, and in which you can see they have clearly mentioned the device should have OxygenOS 14.0.0.850 build running on their devices. So another 2-3 days guys, open beta recruitment will also start in India. By the way, I keep posting such things on Twitter, so if you guys haven't followed me there, make sure to follow. Link can be found in the description below. This update doesn't bring much of changes. I'll just show you the change logs. Here you can see the change logs which are related to system, application and interconnection. Now first let's talk about the benchmark scores and we'll compare it with the previous build. Also guys, this device is selling for 56,000 in the ongoing sale, and you'll also get these buds free which cost around 8,000 rupees. So it's a good to go deal. We have made a dedicated video whether you need to buy this device or not. Make sure to watch that video. So talking about the Geekbenchmark scores, so here you can see these are the scores of the latest build, and these were done on the previous build. So slightly higher scores can be seen on the latest build. AnTuTu benchmark application scores 18,44,627, but scores were slightly higher on the previous build, you can see, which were 18,82,075. With Wildlife Extreme Stress Test, on the previous build, the stability scores were 60%, and on this latest build, it's somewhere around 59%. And after updating the device to the latest build, I did notice device was heating a lot. The maximum temperature which I noticed while performing these tests was somewhere around 45 degrees Celsius, wherein the ambient temperature was just 26 degrees Celsius. On previous build, device did not show much of throttling issues with 100 thread up to 30 minutes test, but on this latest build, I did notice a lot of throttling issues. Here you can see maximum CPU only throttled 61%. And guys, you let me know in the comment section below whether you want an in-depth review of this build or not, because mostly what I feel is OnePlus will release the OxygenOS 15 open beta builds. So if I get time, I'll do an in-depth review, but still you guys let me know in the comment section below. Now let's talk about the changes. So the first change under system is layer to app clone, where you can set the cloned app to open as default. And let me show you how you can do that. So if I go to settings, apps, app cloner, and now you can see I have few applications which I've cloned. Previously, we used to get only two options. One was always ask and the second was app clone. But now there's a new option called original app. So for example, if you want to share anything on Facebook, if you have enabled always ask, you'll see a pop-up. But if you select the original app option, so you won't get any pop-up. Instead of this cloned application, your content will be shared in the original app. So this is the change what they have done here. And after that, they say they have added the search option in the app cloner for easy searching. Though other than this search option, I did not find anything new here, and this was also present on the previous build. Later on under applications, they have added a new feature where you can set the alarm sound in the clock for all alarms in a unified manner. So here also I wasn't able to find out any difference when I compared each and every setting with my OnePlus 12R. So if you guys are aware what exactly OnePlus is trying to tell us, let me know in the comment section below. And the last changelog is layer 2 interconnection, wherein they have optimized the Bluetooth compatibility of some devices when connected to cars. And later on they have optimized the Bluetooth compatibility of some devices. One issue which I used to face on my OnePlus 12 whenever I used to use these OnePlus Buds Pro 2, like if I'm riding using the headphones, on and off I used to face disconnection issues. But I have tested after this latest build, that issue looks mostly sorted out. But I'll still be testing it. In my initial usage, I did not face that issue. So guys, these were all the changes what OnePlus have done. And other than these things, nothing else have been changed on this latest build. Are you guys excited about OxygenOS 15? Let us know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.